In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite others to your team in Figma. Inviting teammates is an essential step to collaborating smoothly on your design projects. Whether you're working with designers, developers, or stakeholders, knowing how to add them to your Figma team will make it much easier to share files, gather feedback, and stay organized in one shared workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from inside the Figma interface, and I'll point out a few useful tips along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Figma account and that you're looking at the main dashboard where your teams and projects are listed. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section that shows your team or teams. Go ahead and click on the name of the team that you want to invite people to. This will open your team space, where you can see all the projects and files that belong to that specific team. Once you're inside the team space, look towards the top right area of the screen. Here, you should see a button labeled Share. This button controls how you share access to the team with other people. Click on the Share button to open the sharing dialog. A window will appear that lets you manage invitations. In this window, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Click into that field and start typing the email of the person you'd like to invite to your team. As you type, Figma may suggest contacts you've worked with before, but you can always type a full email address manually. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the email so the invitation goes to the right person. Before you send the invite, you may also see options to adjust the role or permission level, such as viewer or editor, depending on your plan. Select the appropriate access level for what that person needs to do on the team. When you're ready, click on the invite button in the dialog. Figma will send an invitation to that email address, and once the person accepts, they'll appear as a member of your team. If you prefer to share a link instead, look for the option to copy an invite link in the same sharing window. Click on Copy Link, and Figma will place a team invite link on your clipboard. You can then paste this link into an email, chat message, or wherever you communicate with your collaborators. When someone opens that link, they can request or gain access to your team based on the settings you've chosen. And that's it. By clicking